how can you buy a sari from a website? Only you can do it. I said, yeah. That line, Krishna ki gopi, that just took it, horses and vintage cars. My sari matched. The look plus the price, there was a match point. It's always trying to please the customer. I am a financial planner. I help people invest money. I love wearing saris because it gives me great joy and it reminds me of my childhood. And when I see my mother wearing saris, she would be all dressed up before my father would come home with a gajra in her hair. So, and with proper matching jewelry. So we felt that it's something which we should also imbibe. So whenever I get an occasion to wear a sari, I'm the first one to pick it up. And when I came across this brand of yours, the thing that appealed to me was the tissue look. I had an old tissue sari, but that was fusk out, that it just rips from the middle. So I said, let me get another tissue sari. And then that line, Krishna ki gopi, that just took it, And then I just called them up because there wasn't contact. So at least you can speak to somebody. Otherwise, most of the websites are contactless. Just chatting and all that. I'm not comfortable with that. And as soon as Sharina came on the line, I was like, okay. And she's in Santa Cruz. I will at least go there and get it. I love the way the pink and the blue, just shimmers. It's like the dhoop chhaw look, We used to have these in silk, the dhoop chhaw saris. It was a very nice experience because every moment there was a phone call. That how would you like the blouse? What would you like your pattern? You can send a blouse. So your fitting is perfect and the delivery time is perfect. So that was the joy of receiving that parcel, opening it and taking it with me to Bhopal for a wedding. And I also like the costing. It was not over the top. And if anybody wants to buy, I would say at least browse the website and see if something appeals to you, if you want an ethnic look or if you want a contemporary look, you want a mix of both. So just browse the website. I wore it for, which was the occasion, reception. It was an evening occasion. So the glimmer in the tissue was looking really nice. And I received also a lot of compliments. And they're all wondering, how can you buy a sari from a website? Only you can do it. I said, yeah, I'm like that. It was in Bhopal, in the Jahanuma Palace.
Wow.
Yeah, it was really beautiful. Horses and vintage cars, and my sari matched. I would say, be assured you're in the right hands. Absolutely right hands. Your tailor-made hands. My blouse was tailor-made, literally. I just fit into it so well.
Thank you so much for being patient.
Thank you.